So we use Claire for a number of things, automated arrears chase up and responses, so that's really good. That takes one job off our property managers. And we also use Claire to gather all of our maintenance that's required and then send out to do work orders through our contractors. And just more recently we've used Claire to do our self-tenant inspections with COVID-19, so that has been able to generate income for us while we can't get out and see the properties. So the benefits of Claire are giving time back to my property management team and really making the workflow process flow easier, and making sure that all the notes and everything are integrated into Property Me, so we can always go back and see what Claire is speaking to our tenants about, and the property managers can also see live data of where jobs are at. Yeah. We were really happy with the Realm team and their responsiveness. They've worked really closely with our team to ensure that Claire is working to the best of its ability with the way we work. We're also really happy with the My LJ Hooker Concierge. We've built a platform around that allows our tenants just to have a one place to go to be able to use Claire, do their maintenance, look at their arrears, and also log into their tenant portals. Would I recommend Claire as a digital employee? Yes. I think if your business is at a level that you need to employ someone else, I would be looking at this as an option before you put on another physical person. But I also think if you're looking to get more efficiency or more properties managed by each property manager, this is another great solution as well.